everybody, I'm really excited because I'm going to show you how density works. For this experiment, you'll need 2 eggs, 2 glasses of water, and a bottle of salt. So okay, let's start by keeping an egg in this. It sinks because it has more weight and density. But for this, we're gonna add some salt. This is enough. Now, let's keep the egg in here. Because we added salt, water has more density than the egg. In this one, the egg has more density than the water. But this one, the water has more density than the egg. Speaking of water and salt, I want to tell you about the Dead Sea. First, I'll tell you something about that sea. Where is that sea? Well, it's in Asia, between Israel and Jordan. A lot and lots of people think it's a sea. But it's not. It's a lake. And can I tell you something really cool? No sharks or sea turtles can live there. Not even a single fish. Because it has so much salt. Actually, it's 9.6 times saltier than the ocean. So much salt that people can actually float here. You'll never sink and you'll simply float. And that's one of my favorite places to visit in the world. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Hit the bell and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.